Hello and welcome to the video where I will show you how to connect your Apple AirPod Pros to your iPhone 5S. So it's a Bluetooth connection between the two devices. Let's enable Bluetooth on the phone first. So we go to Settings and we look for Bluetooth. Then we just enable Bluetooth by pressing this button here. So the phone is now in discoverable mode and it's looking for a device to pair with. Now we turn our attention to the AirPod Pros. If you look to the back of the case, there's a round button there. Now we need to press and hold that for a couple of seconds whilst the lid is open, and these will also become discoverable and they will meet. So let's just flip the lid open. I've just released the button and you can see that the light is flashing white on the AirPods Pro. That means they're discoverable. And on the phone itself, you can see a message here saying software update. Some features of this audio accessory require a newer version of iOS. Check for updates. Or you can set up with limited functionality. Now I'm going to set up with limited functionality. I've checked for updates. However, there are no updates available for this model. So I shall set up with limited functionality by pressing that button. And we'll give it a couple of seconds here. And it says audio accessory connecting. Done. So let's clear that. And you can see it says AirPods Pro and it says connected. Fantastic. Oh, so let me just show you one more thing. And that is where the settings are. So you can have a little bit more granular control over these AirPods. Click the I button and you can see you can disconnect, you can forget the device, you can rename it. You can have automatic ear detection with some information below. Microphone, you can have normal mode and you can have noise cancelling. I know lots of people are interested in that. And that is basically it. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, give me a thumbs up. Lets me know it's working. Let me know how comes you're still using the iPhone 5S. Like I say, I love that phone. Best one ever in my opinion. How comes you're still using yours? Leave a comment below. It'd be lovely to hear your story. Anyway, thanks again and I wish you a great day ahead.